Hey everyone, welcome to my home, which is not really my home, it's a rented home. So it is not my house, but it is my home because I feel at home here, so it is my home, right? Today you're gonna see pieces of me in this home. You're gonna see my hair on the floor, my dead skin cells. You're gonna see where I film my program, my pee program, and also my plants. Beautiful plants that people are waiting for. No one cares, but I'm gonna give you a plant tour. Fake plant tour, they're not real. Let's start with my kitchen. Here's my coffee machine. I don't really use this anymore. Got some knives here, some doesn't really matter. This is one of my favorite brand, Leggings. You can cook some casserole in here, you can bake in here, you can do any sort of things in here. Oh my god, this is heavy, heavy, heavy. Cast iron, guys. It's heavy. So that's kind of like my cooking station, I guess. And here's where I have all my cutleries and whatnot. Okay, that's enough. That's really messy. Here's the other part of the kitchen. I got lots of bananas because I eat a lot of bananas. Coffee grinder, shave ice machine, some tea, bunch of stuff on top. It's my shelf, which is pretty neat, I think, because I organized it for today's video. These oil over here, like these things are so good. This brand is called A Taste of Paris. This is a truffle oil, balsamic vinegar, some sort of vinegar, and I got tons of snacks down here for my pre-workout snacks. Now I'm gonna show you my fridge just because why not. And my fridge is pretty organized typically. Some kombucha down here and wine, which I don't drink, but you know, I had them just because I had them. I have nothing much in here today, I'm not sure why. Plant-based mince, some plant-based patties. Normally I have fish or chicken in here, but I have nothing today. And my freezer is just basically a place full of frozen fruits, fish, vegetables, more frozen fruits. It's just what I do. I eat a lot of fruits. Banana. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna take some dates out. I have dates daily these days. I have dates, banana, persimmon, and dark chocolate like for snacks these days. Some people are gonna make a video about
how Chloe can eat way too many bananas and also too much dark chocolate and also too many dates and also too many persimmons. She's promoting unhealthy eating diet habits.
I eat a lot of fruits, so deal with it, haters. Okay? I eat what I want. I'm not asking you guys to eat what I eat. I just want to eat my bananas and persimmon and dark chocolate and dates every day. And oats. Yes, oats. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, let's show you my filming area. Dun, 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 dun. Got my plants over here. I just rotate them in and out based on the programs. My tree. Ooh, there you go, my real plant. The one and only real plant I have at home is a peace lily plant. It's almost dead, but it's not dead. It has been 2 years. It survived, okay? This is like a house full of mirrors. I have a lot of mirrors. I feel like I'm basically selling mirrors at this point. I have one over here, the big one that you guys see in every video. I got another one over here, which is my favorite one, and another one over here. This is my favorite one though. This is my first mirror. I got this 5 or 6 years ago. There you go. This is my kitchen, a little dining table, massive tripod, and let's bring you to my this is my workspace or my filming space. I film all my sit-down videos here. So I got the diamond button and the gold plate and my streaming awards, guys. Chloeting Health and Wellness 2020. Just received them like 2 weeks ago. And here's my desk. I got 2 monitors, my mic, a jug of water always. This is my stream deck. I don't stream anymore, but I have a stream deck, a Go XLR, a MacBook Air. Here we got my really cute computer. It's pretty fantastic, alright? Look at my graphic card. Look at everything that's in there. It's kawaii. Yeah, here's my setup. My door. Me. My plants. Oh, we got more plants. We got 3 plants over here. They're all not real. Oh, we got a little llama over here. Another plant. I got my llama, my Foxy, and my Melody. And this is also my lounge area. I don't have a TV, so this is it. Now I'm gonna show you where I film my pee program. There. This is where I just that was my toilet. I normally close the lid when I flush because this toilet is kind of nasty. Like it splashes water out of the toilet, which is really gross. Like what a hell, man. Let's go up. Okay, this is not sockets. Okay, Rose, I just turned on the light to show you that this is not a socket. This is light. Lighto. Lighto. Okay, now we have my tech space. I have my printer, my modem, lots of cameras because you know, my job. My bathroom, which I will show you. Okay, I'll show you now. Your wish has been granted. This is my bathroom. We got my hand soap, my face soap, my moisturizer, my lens cleanser, my hair ties, and me, Chloe. My bathtub, my shower gels, shampoos, and all of that. Shower heads. My loofah, a kawaii loofah. That's it. That's my bathroom. It's pretty basic. I don't really have that many things in here. Now I'm gonna share a little space with you guys. Something that I don't really want to share just because I know for a fact that I'm gonna get a lot of hate for it, I'm sure. But I'm gonna share it with you guys because I'm sure you guys want to see it as well. So it is my leggings wardrobe. It's a little bit extra. It's actually a linens wardrobe or cupboard. But I'm living on my own. I only have one bed, 2 bed sheets, quilt, cover, and 2 towels. I don't need a linen cupboard. Here we go. Okay, here it is. This is the leggings wardrobe. Let's start from the bottom. We got some VS Pink items over here which I used for photo shoots earlier the year. Some shorts. These are really comfortable shorts. I wear them very frequently. These are some of my old favorite shorts. This is a really cool pair of shorts from Adidas. I think it looks so pretty. It's not really for working out, but it's just like fancy. These are all the little shorts from VS Pink. I have a lot of them because I work with them and also they're really comfortable. These are some random shorts, some white leggings, and these are Align shorts. They're mostly Align shorts, I think. I use them for my ab workouts typically because I like how they look. These are biker shorts. I wore some of these recently in my workout videos. These are from Aloe. They're very comfortable as well. Very flattering if you want to try them out, but they're really pricey too. These are mostly Align pants. Most of these are as well. Other than this, I have no idea what this is. More leggings. More leggings. Okay, they're just leggings. That's it, you guys. This is my leggings wardrobe. I don't think it's too bad. You know, this is my job. Heading into my bedroom. This is my new bedroom. I used to sleep in the other bedroom, but now I sleep in here. I have 5 pillows, but I only use that one in the middle. It's a king size pillow, so it's like super big and super soft. It's super comfy. Comfy bed. That's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next I'm joking. I'll keep going, okay? I'll keep going. And here's another plant. I have a lot. And my makeup area. These are my most frequently used makeup. And I don't really want to talk about it because there's just so much going on. And here's another mirror. And I'm wearing my shoes because I hate the look of my feet in the video. So I normally try to cover it up. And here's my wardrobe. I don't really have much over here. Let's start with some black clothing. I got like skirts here, some Adidas jumper, another jumper, Alexander Wang, t-shirts, really cute items over here. And these are like some of my old dresses and jumpers. I really like this one as well. My little wardrobe. Actually, I have another wardrobe, but I'm just gonna show you guys this one first. And then I have my Chloe bag. This is one of my favorite backpack. My little Chanel and another. This is like a belt bag. So here's how it looks like when it's on my my hips. So God, it's a little bit loose because nothing actually really fits me. I personally really like belt bags or backpack because I like my hands to be free. It has to be free to touch things. And that's the reason why I don't really wear handbags or crossbody bags, because I want to be able to run to get to places. So belt bag is the best for that. Backpack is really good as well because I can fit in a lot of things. So this is it. I don't know if it's still trendy, but let's go to the second bedroom. This is my second wardrobe. This was actually my main wardrobe, which was my main bedroom. But I swapped to the other room because I was actually gonna use that room as a work room, but it just gets way too hot. So I decided to work downstairs. I don't really have that much clothes. I think in total, maybe I have less than 50 items, including the other wardrobe. And then I got some shorts up there, some sports bra, some lingerie, more lingerie. I have a lot of them. I don't know why I have so many, but they're very kawaii. Some bralettes because I use a lot of bralettes when I'm at home or when I go out. Some cute PJs. Are they PJs? Are they considered as PJs? But they're just cute little items. My sports bra. They're all in here. And bikinis, I don't have that many over here, but these are really, really nice. And I got my bras down here, some little crops over here, and here I got some cardigans. This thing is so kawaii, guys. Look. So that's my entire wardrobe, including the other bedroom. And now this is my cosmetic area. I have 2 sunscreens. I don't really want to talk about my cosmetics, but I got a little tool over here which I don't use, and this is like my earring, and I can't pop it in. This ball, where are you, ball? 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 Where did it go? Oh my goodness. Okay, I found it. It's really hard to get this ball into this little hole over here. I think that's it for the house tour. I'm gonna show you guys my earrings, might as well, you know, to end the video. It's over here. That's how it looks like, the new one. This is a lot easier to put on compared to the other one. I really like this. This is quite subtle. Small and subtle. I have a lot of holes over here, but I don't use any earrings. Let me show you the other side, which you can't really see. There you go. Oh, that's the house tour. That's it for today's video. I'm so tired. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And now, comment down below. Always help me out with the engagement. Please. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna have a new program coming up soon, Summer Shred Challenge. And I'll see you guys very soon. Okay, don't leave me. Ciao, ciao. Bye, bye. Arigatou gozaimasu.